Congratulations on receiving your new OrCam MyEye 2.0 device. Please open the box by pulling on the yellow tab next to the plastic window. The box opens like a book. The upper side contains the pre-mounted glasses frame, which you can pull out. The base side contains the device strapped on top. Please open the lid and pull the strap to release the device. Under the lid you will find a user guide, a fridge magnet with OrCam support contact details, microfiber cleaning cloth, and a mount kit. Under these items you will find two compartment lids. When you open them you will find the OrCam charger and cable, a pouch with additional plastic mounts, and a lanyard.